Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be talking about a social network exclusively built for teenagers called Youable. Now you all might be wondering what Youable is. So Youable is an app exclusively built for teenagers. It is a great place for teenagers to have common interest, build connections and networks, and join communities and make new friends. So if you're in college, Youable is something that can be really helpful because it helps in networking. And if you're in school, joining online clubs and participating and helping out your community is something that colleges really appreciate, and that can be a great extracurricular activity. Also, you can make friends on Youable. So basically, online friends are so much fun and you can learn so much from them, and they can have common interests as you, so that's a really great thing. On Youable, teenagers work on challenges and projects with help from mentors from the real world who works in companies like Google, Netflix, ISRO, and so many more. And the best part is that there's so many clubs that you can join. So from influencer to design to programming, there's just a lot and something for everyone. So that is something that I really appreciate on Youable. So my favorite thing about the Youable app is that you can earn Ucoins on there and shop from the U store. So Ucoins are basically coins that you earn by completing challenges on the Youable app. And once you earn them, you can spend or buy something from the U store. So there's so many good things on there that you can purchase with those coins. So I'm going to take you through the Youable app right now. Let's see. Firstly, we open the Youable app, and the very first thing that we see is the home page. So I have signed up on this app. You can do the same. It's a very simple process, and once you are on there, you can just see so many of different like banners on there, and you can see my user ID as well. Then they're like featured dialogues, which are basically chats, and you can reply and create like threads on it. Then there are featured challenges. You can view all of them right here. So here are all of the challenges that are currently there, and you can always like go for the quick, rewarded, and my mentors. Everything is on there as well. Then comes your main feed. So I am following like a couple of people on there, so I'll see what they have posted, and you can do the same and your followers will see that. The clubs section, so you can go on there, and there you can see here are my clubs: social impact, motivation, influencer, and marketing. These are the clubs that I have joined and I am a part of. Then you can see the dialogues. So these are customized to the clubs that I have joined. You can also create your own dialogue by going on this plus icon, and then you can select the club that you want to create the dialogue for. So if I want to create a dialogue for influencer, I'll just go to next, and I'll say something like, what camera do you use to film? And you can simply submit it. Then you can also like enter your first challenge, and that'll give you like 100 Ucoins. So there are so many challenges on there. You can join whatever one you want and complete that. Then is the earn option. So you can see how many points or coins you have earned. So I have earned like 245 coins, and so this is like basically my chart or the history that I have, and you can earn more of them by seeing how it is. So and then you can go to the U store right here, and it shows you what all you can buy. So I'll just show you something. So it's like it's this good. All you can purchase the Alchemist at the moment, so it always like keeps on changing, so there's always a variety of what you can buy. So I don't want to buy anything as of now. So as of now, I don't want to buy anything, so I'll donate my coins. So you can also like support a cause. So I'll just donate like 100 Ucoins, which will help support a child's education. I always like to do something to help other people. So yeah, I am supporting the Foundation Cry just by donating my 100 Ucoins that I earned. So as you saw, that Youable is such a great app for networking, meeting new people, earning coins, and you can purchase stuff from it. So it's just a really trendy and like Gen Z friendly app. So I'll leave the link to Youable in the description box below, so make sure that you go and download it from my link. And yeah, thank you so much to Youable for sponsoring this video. I really loved working with you, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye bye.